everyone, this is Jermar TV and today we will solve the fourth random problem coming from Sprig's Math Challenge Grade 9. So ito po yung problem. Find the value of n for which the fifth root of 2 raised to n is equal to square root of 4 raised to n minus 1. So pause this video to give yourself a try. And when you're ready, keep on watching to reveal the answer. Okay, so para ma-solve natin itong equation na ito, no, since ang variables ay nasa exponents, isulat muna yung bawat isa sa kanila or i-write natin bawat isa sa kanila in exponential form. So para sa the fifth root of 2 raised to n, 'di ba? By definition of a radical, bali isusulat natin into fraction exponent. So 2 raised to n over 5. Remember po, yung index ng radical ay denominator ng fraction sa exponent. Okay? So the fifth root of 2 raised to n is equal to 2 raised to n over 5. Habang yung isa naman, 4, that is 4 raised to n minus 1. Okay? Pag isusulat natin siya in exponential form, we have 4 raised to n minus 1 all over 2. So, yung index kasi ng radical na ito ay understood na 2. So, hindi nakasulat. So, ibig sabihin, 2 po ang index nun. Kaya, ang denominator ay 2. Okay? And then, since this is equation, i-equate natin itong dalawa. We have 2 raised to n over 5 is equal to 4 raised to n minus 1 all over 2. So, this is what we call the exponential equation, wherein isosolve natin yung equation kung saan yung variables ay exponents. Okay? And para ma-solve natin yung ganitong uri ng equation, dapat gagawin mo ng parehas yung base for both sides of equation. So in this case, yung base dito ay 2 habang base dito ay 4. So magkaiba sila ng bases. So ang goal po natin is ma-solve natin yung n. But first, gawin mo munang parehas yung base natin. So, para maging 2 yung 4, yung base natin, remember po, yung 4, pag sinulat siya in exponential form, we have 2 times 2 or 2 raised to the second power. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, 4 is equal to 2 squared. Kaya naman, yung 4, pwede natin siyang palitan ng 2 squared. Okay? Kaya naman we have 2 raised to n over 5 is equal to 2 raised to 2 raised to n minus 1 all over 2. Okay? And then, by law of exponents, i-multiply lang yung 2 na exponent sa fraction na ito, n over 1 over 2. We just cancel out yung 2. Okay? Leaving us with n minus 1. Magiging 2 raised to n over 5 is equal to 2 raised to n minus 1. And ngayon, parehas na yung base nila, which is 2, pwede na natin silang i-cancel. Okay? So, i-equate na lang natin yung exponents. Okay? So that we have, dito na lang natin ituloy, n over 5 equals n minus 1. Okay? And we're going to solve for n as usual. So, multiply both sides by 5, no? Ayan, so that we have this one, ito makakancel to, magiging n na lang dito, equals n minus 1 times 5, that is equal to 5n minus 5. And then, ilipat si 5n sa kabila, we have n minus 5n is equal to negative 5. N minus 5n is negative 4 over n equals negative 5. And finally, dividing both sides by negative 4, which gives us n is equal to positive 5 over 4. And there you go. Ito na po yung sagot sa problem na ito. So, therefore, the value of n here, dito sa equation na to, ay n is equal to 5 over 4. So, ayan po yung sagot sa problem. Okay, so, sana meron kayong natutunan sa video na ito and marami pang iba pang problems na kagaya nito ang aking ipopost. Basta wag nyo kalilimutan mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel and follow me also on my TikTok account. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day to all.